Okay, Dave here with Saddleback Leather. I want to show you something that I'm really, in a healthy way, I'm proud of. Check this out. This is the phone iPad stand here. It's made of the same leather that these boots are made out of. Got just the solid, really high quality sole leather here on the bottom. It's got rubber here, but this is all just solid leather. Beautiful, just nice and stiff. This is I made it because on the airplanes, I have to fly a lot back and forth to Mexico. We go long distances other places, and there's no place I was tired of kind of propping up, let's say on this AirPod stand, trying to prop it up on things, and it was just awkward. So, not kidding, 3 years later, and then this came about. So it's just the right length here, so that if you have like an iPad Pro, the 12.9, you have something like that, it sticks. Put this here. It doesn't fall backwards. If you have a recipe book or you're doing video chat, whatever, video conferencing, now watch this. You can adjust it so it goes wide. If you want it pretty upright, you go wider, and it goes more upright, almost to tipping over. But check that out. You can go flat. If you're on the airplane, you're watching it, no one wants to have it like that, like you're kind of looking down at it. So you put it like that, and you can watch it nicely. See how that works? So 2 levels. This one, so this is the same one. There's the iPad mini. Got your pencil here. If you wanted to just leave it here, put it back. Kind of nice. But anyway, this is the phone iPad stand here, and took a lot of work. Now this is the same leather. Started off like this. This started off like this, and is darkened up. Now and it's interesting with the iPhone case. We switched providers for the leather, and it came same quality, just a little softer. Wasn't as stiff. Not as much veg in this. But we've since gone back to the original provider, and our phone cases are fixed. But anyway, here you go. Pretty cool, huh? The iPhone iPad stand.